from the previous video, the OER point marker here, OER pointed marker here, and the area show. If I zoom it, it will be clear more. However, the grid system should be off, so I off the grid system to clear view. So if I sense the system of view, imaginary, take the dimension from here to here. Sorry, this should be inclined. Part of this showing in meter or inch. However, that if I sense the unit from here, primary unit, decimal, engineering, architectural, point, decimal technique. So set current and close. This is not actual. Now I am going to open a drawing that with proper setting. For the visual presentation. Open. I can calculate here the area from directly this map, such as this plan under construction. As this drawing has proper setup of Autocad, so I want to copy this, or I can directly find the area from here, such as the command should be area, okay, and the area should be in object. So this area has 3,331 square meter as the unit in square meter. So if I want to find directly from the area length width, to go to dimension and standard linear, okay, the length is, the area is 106 meter and the width is nearly accurate, above the 90% of the current value. So if I want to sketch such a way or place this drawings as this way, So as an example, I will plot this area. I will plot this area by, you should have used a polyline command. So start from here and then like this. There are another methods to sketch this. So I close this and I will turn off the imaginary system. So geological, and I have map of. This whole drawing is built in my hand directly. But actually up to 2023 to 2025. Okay. So I have sketched this plot, and the area what will be? Area should be area object. Area of this area 1000 10,370 and is nearly 90 above the 90% accurate. If I can found the length arm of this rectangle, sorry, the length of the rectangle is, so this area is 47.187 meter. So by this we can easily draw any plot, any site plan where we will construction will be started, or any other things that the survey required. Also coordinate can check from here if the point is fixed with the AutoCAD. So coordinate for the coordinate of the corner should be like this, and this coordinate will take 1 second. So there in the another video we will if possible we will show how to insert the image and the mapping system. Oh, also we can use from here. In the next video about the AutoCAD, inshallah I will present the video with the Google combination of the Google Earth and the AutoCAD or the coordinating system. As the mapping system, Google Earth is more helpful to clear and actual dimensioning. It also helpful, and this is the new for AutoCAD, and it is uh, the mapping system will make more. This mapping system make more easily accessible in any area. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, comments, and subscribe. Let me know anything that you want to know in the comments.